2018, we introduced some great new features for the site and details side of land effects. Here are just a few notable additions you should be aware of. First up is p-hatch. Have you ever thought it would be super cool to paint with hatches in CAD? Now you can. Modify existing hatches by simply typing p-hatch in the command line. Then start painting on the outskirts of that existing hatch. You can also paint a hatch from scratch. Just start using the Land Effects Hatch tool and press the P key before actually placing the hatch. Pick your brush style and start painting. Don't forget that you can adjust the brush size, add and subtract from existing hatched areas, select various brush shapes, or create your own. Would you like to turn an M-text object into a multi-leader? Just type M-text to M-leader, then select your leader type and click on the M-text object. Whammo! In the summer of 2018, a very special client requested the option to have multi-line titles for details, and we delivered. Now you can create 2 lines of text for detail titles. First, make the title text box large enough to accommodate 2 lines, then insert a vertical line in the title box when saving the detail. This will act as a hard return for the title. Save the detail, and the bottom line will be italicized to signify a secondary language type. We've given our concept graphics a complete overhaul. Concept graphics account for a diagrammatic and conceptual level of site planning. You can still add various concept lines, areas, nodes, and viewpoints, but now you can tie these into reference notes, give them specific data such as cost and design notes, and add accompanying photos. The schedule layout has also been redesigned to accommodate photos and graphical symbols neatly. And finally, we have the option to reload all text styles in a drawing. The REAT or REAT command provides a quick and easy way to ensure that the Land Effects text styles in your current AutoCAD drawing match your setting from the active preference set. We hope you can make the most of these helpful new features. We'll be bringing you tons more functionality in 2019, so stay tuned.